mascara. What that? I wasn't. You got my top free. Hi guys. Hi. Thank you for joining us. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my top cruelty-free mascaras, waterproof and non-waterproof. Since going cruelty-free, this has probably been the most difficult thing for me to transition to, because I had two like ride or die mascaras that I religiously used, and it was both by Maybelline and they were both waterproof, and it was the Full and Soft Maybelline mascara and also the Lash Sensational mascara. Both gave me everything that I wanted. It held my curl, it gave me length, it gave me definition, and it lasted all day. And since going cruelty free, I had not been able to find mascaras that were comparable to that up until this year, and I have been cruelty free for about 3 years, so you can just imagine how frustrating it was to try mascara after mascara, just getting disappointed by all of them, because I've tried a good amount of mascaras. I've tried the Pacifica, Essence, Wet n Wild when they were cruelty free, Too Faced, and they were all just not my vibe. I think the Better Than Sex mascara really, it was a great application. It gave me wispy lashes and it held a curl, but it flaked like no other, and that was the most annoying thing. Finally found my holy grails, and I'm so excited about it, and I wanted to share it with you. What I want to talk to you guys about is a high-end mascara, and it is waterproof, and it is one of the first mascaras that I have found that I've stuck with for a really long time before I started to kind of discovering the other ones that I have today. So it is the Tarte Lights Camera Splashes in the purple tube, and the bristle brush looks like this. I've heard a lot of good things about this before even trying it out, but I was just like, do I really want to spend $23 on this? And yes, I want to spend $23 on it, because if this was the only thing that was going to work for me, then that $23 is well spent. This mascara is waterproof. It holds a curl. It lasts all day, and it gives me length, it gives me definition, and actually it removes quite nicely. I have tried a lot of, I've used a lot of waterproof mascaras even before cruelty free, and they were just such a pain to remove, and this one is not too bad actually. So that's actually a nice perk about this mascara. I'll show you the bristle, and honestly, I don't really put a ton of coat on. I don't even dip my wand back in. I just take it out and put it through my lashes, and I even just go through my lashes again on the other eye without dipping it back in. I pack a lot of product in the bristles, and I used to scrape everything off, but that just took way too much time, so I figured just a light hand and you just lightly put it on your lashes and you're good. Covergirl Professional 3-in-1. This is probably my first mascara love, honestly. This is what I used before using waterproof, because I used waterproof for years, and before that I used this because I didn't know that waterproof held a curl way better than non-waterproof, but this, I'm able to kind of use it a little bit better, and I think the formula changed since like I was a teenager. So this has a curved brush, if you can see, and I have this on my lower lashes right now. I don't know if you can really tell, but I'll have the clips showing you the application of this. So yeah, I think this one's great. It lasts all day, and it's really cheap. too, so that's a good mascara. The next one is the Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara. So I have them both in waterproof and non-waterproof, and it looks very similar to the Better Than Sex mascara, and I think performs better than the Better Than Sex. My opinion, and it's a better price point too. Typically, I will use a waterproof on special occasions like weddings or events and stuff like that. Same for the Lights Camera Splashes mascara. Other mascara I have is the Covergirl Lash Blast Active, and this I actually only use on my bottom lashes. So I tried this on the top, and it kind of is a little bit too heavy of a formula for my lashes, so it like droops it down a bit so it doesn't hold the curl, but it is perfect for my bottom lashes. It's like water and sweat resistant, so typically if my eyes get irritated, my eyes will get watery, so this will prevent any raccoon eyes. So that's really great, and it's super easy to take off since it's not waterproof. So I really like using this. I really like using this one for my bottom lashes. I want to add this last mascara, but there is kind of like a love and hate relationship with it, and Covergirl Full Lash Bloom mascara. This one I have in waterproof. I've not tried the non-waterproof version of this actually, but this one is great. It's everything that I want. Same thing, holds a curl, great definition, length, everything. But the only thing is that I think I am allergic to it. My eyes do get irritated, and it gets really red, and it just looks bloodshot when I wear it, because I'm really sad that happens, but I'm still holding on to it just in case. Like, maybe I'll try it again one day and see if it doesn't give me any reaction. But I just wanted to include it still because it's a good mascara, and if you're not allergic to it, then it's great. And if you like the things that I like, then this is perfect because it gives you nice, wispy, soft, like fluttery lashes. It's very similar to the Full and Soft Maybelline mascara, so that's why I really liked it. And the bristle, it is not a brush, it's more like rubber bristles, which is really nice, and it prevents a lot of clumping. Okay, so that is pretty much it for my top cruelty-free mascaras. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Let me know if you try any of these out, and let me know how you guys like it. And if you have any other suggestions too on cruelty-free mascaras, please leave them down below because I would love to try them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!